Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And also, today is my lecture number one. Also, this paper is the ME 505C. Then also this paper name is the CAD. And we have discussed this is the product cycle. Now, basically, first of all, what is the product cycle? The product cycle and the CAD CAM for any products to be developed, the major areas to be locked into would be designing, manufacturing, and marketing also. The synchronizations between this process play great role in defining product success. Here is the CAD and also involving this is the CAM revolutionize the process of the traditional design and cut cost of any mechanical parts also can be considered according to your the product cycles. And basically you have to complete your the product is the produced during to the cycle. Now basically this will be considered according to a product cycle layouts also will be given. And you can see the a product cycles, and the first you have to considers according to your the products and the cycle. That means your the productions will be considered according as a product. So then you have to first considerations according to your product will be the design of engineering. That means you have to come, that means the various activities that like the functions and also the equals to you have to consider according to your the product cycle. That like you can be fast is considered according to your the design engineering. That means that you have to consider the draftings will be comes. That means you're the design engineers, you have to given some outlines, that like the outlines, and as well as you have to concentrate accordingly during to your this outlines as your the chalkouts, and the which way you have to fully completes according to your the product will be the designs also will be completed, the which parameters will be used, and also the which the parameters as like as the what is the strength also will be concentration according to your the product cycle. Then all things you have to concentrate according to your the product design. And another things you have to coming, and this will be drafting. This draftings also will be concentrated according as a design engineers. This will be given a draft, the draft of this the product, and that likes you have to given a design, and what is the stress will be developed, and according what is your the maximum loads will be loads capacity will be taken this the products, and also the how you have to working of this the products, and the all things you have to consider. The first draft will be given, and during to your the draftings you have to consider the first draft, second draft, the all things you have to maintain according probably during to your this the product cycles will be starting from this your the product designs. And also during to your the design engineers, this will be comes on this product concepts also will be here, and during to this the draftings, and also this draftings will be done, and this will be goes to through a process planning. And you have to given to your this the process plannings. This is the one is the considered according to the post production schedulings, and another is the order new equipments, and tooling considerations also will be comes during to your the process planning. You have to given a process, but how you have to implement it your process, you have to record for this the planning of this your process, the how you have to implement it, and also how your the production schedules will be considered, and according to the which type of workers also will be available in your company, and also which type of workers, which type of equipments, the all things you have to consider according to your the process plannings. And another things, this will be given to the orders new equipments along these toolings. And suppose your industry nodes will be survived during to your the so many modern equipment also will be there, that like the you have to concentrate accordingly your the products will be so products is the so goods. Then you have to given your the products will be considered according to your the much more essential your the concentrations, but a new equipment also will be required. Suppose the new type of products or the new type of projects will be comes in our industry, then you have to consideration the suppose the one tools will be buy from this the markets, and also you have to continue your the production procedures, and this will be considered the equipment and the toolings will be required. And another things, the production schedule, the production scheduling also will be much more essential according to your the product cycles. And when you have to given the draftings, and according to your the product cycles also will be consideration according to this the worker, and also the available workers you have to consider the new products will be launched in your markets, then this will be considered to this the overtimes also will be required during a few times, and also this will be different scheduling also will be considerations, and then the first shifts and also the second shifts, this will be considered according to your the production schedulings, and this production scheduling procedures will be done proper way, and then you have to given to your this the productions also will be starting during to your the completing of your the production scheduling, because before your the production schedulings will be completed, that you cannot be starting your production, because suppose the in during to your the production times your products will be not will be proper way, your worker and also equipment will be there available in this the industry, then you cannot be survive your cannot be survive your production, and also not will be continue your this production. For before production you have to study, and your the production scheduling will be considered, and including your the new equipment also the tools will be given towards the production, and again after completing these two ways, and you have to starting your the productions, and your productions will be complete, and during to the production scheduling, and also the equipment is, and also your the raw materials will be coming from this the different vendors to the company, and also this will be done proper way, and also you will be completed or the productions procedures applying to these the different raw materials, as like as your the equipments, as like your the manpower, and again you're completing your products, these products will be go to this the quality control cell, and this will be considered according to your the product will be the good quality products, and you have to given the quality control given a symbolic identification that these products will be the good quality, and also this will be reaching to your the markets, then this will be survive to your this markets, and also this will be coming to the revenue generations in our industry, then you have to consider this will be the quality of products will be done. But few times you can see this the quality control cells will be given not will be the fully assured that this type of products will be the good quality product, and sometimes you have to consider during to your the quality control cells will be seen the few defects will be come during to your the production procedures, and also this will be remodified or during the remodified to this the production units, and again this will be considered the production, again the repeated products will be done, and sometimes we have to require for some modifications, and this will be completed another production procedures, and then you have to require the after the quality control says this will be go to the customers and markets, that's like the you have to reaching out this the markets, as like as the customers, then these customers will be take up this product, and sometimes we have to see find to this customers review during to this procedures, then this type of review few cases we can see that this review will be in this favor of the company, and the few cases we can see not will be the favor of our company, then this will be considered according to your the this will be some modified certifications also will be records, and another things will be comes, then the new product concepts also will be come during toward the product cycle, and this is the much more advantage during toward this the product cycles, and this will be few new product concepts also will be come during to this the systems also will be go through toward the product cycles, and few cases you can see during the previously the conventional product cycles also will be considered according to your the product cycles, like the some few cases that like this will be coming from this from the product concepts is the first will be considered according to your the conventional product concepts product cycles, the product concepts will be considered the from this the customers feedbacks, as like as the customers markets will be considered the new type of products will be launched in our company to this toward this environments, then you have to consideration that like your the product customers to this the product concepts, and another things the after concept of your products, this will be goes to this the design engineering, and during to your the design engineering this will be given to the draftings will be required during to this the procedures, and also the draftings will be complete, then this will be goes to this the process planning, and after completing this the process planning, this will be considered the few new tools equipment also will be required, and also the production scheduling also will be concentrated according to your this, and this will be the applied to this way. This new toolings as like the production scheduling, this will be taken from this the raw materials, this will be done to your the production procedures, and also completing this the production procedures, this will be go to this the quality control places, and during to this the quality controls, this is the node will be come back to your this the production hub. This will be the modern consideration. This is the product the quality control checks. Few cases you have to see in the, this will be not the good quality product will be produced, and sometimes this will be required for some modifications, and during to this procedures, this modifications will be done, and also this is the come back to this again the productions hub, and after this the conventional procedure, this is the not come back to this the production hub from this the quality control cell, and this is the quality control to this the go the customers markets, and again during to reaching the market, and as well as this products will be take up the customers. This is the consideration according toward the customers to markets, and this is the conventional product cycles will be considered. And another things you can see the during to this this way the corrective also will be required. The this will be few need or idea also will be considered according to your the product cycle considerations will be comes here, and this will be the basically in our the modern techniques and tools also considerations also will be comes during to our the systems will be here, and this is the research, and you have to consider the different industries. This is the today, and also the R&D section, research and development sections also will be available, and this will be considered the complete the research procedures, and after this research will be completed, then this will be coming a new concepts also will be your the company, and this is the given the during to your the company, and a new products also will be launched, and also this will be given to the on concepts, and the new concepts will be comes from your the research oriented concentration. This will be research and development cells is given to this the concept to the design engineers, and during to this concept you have to actively use this concept, and also these concepts also will be used to this the fast drafting procedures will be done during to this the design sections, and these design sections also will be considered the which will be required for the draftings of your products, and also this will be reliability also will be considerations according to your the drafting of this the product, this like the design engineers, and during to this the draftings also will be consideration the part libraries also will be here, and sometimes you have to send during to this the drafting procedures, that's like the CAD will be used, and this will be consideration for this the model designs will be found just like the variables also will be consideration according to your the drafting procedures, and this will be variables is used that like the part libraries as like as the model designing, that like you have to consideration according to your the analysis parts will be given, that like or this is the variables, and a few cases you have to consideration that the model designs and the fast assemble cases will be consideration. This is the model will be on the prototypes considerations also will be come during to this the procedures, like the model design will be given, and during to it the models will be consideration for this the fast cases. Then you have to again the given to this the assembly modeling also will be here, and suppose this assembly modeling will be given to this the considerations, then the which will be the procedures for the develop of this the model design, that like your the part analysis parts also will be consideration according to your this the assembly modeling, and the another things will be here the find that like your the manufacturing will be comes from this the model design, that like the engineering drawings will be here, and the tool designs, and also the planning and the presentations also will be consideration according to your the model design. You can see here that like your the model design you have to comes that like your the model design, then you have to consideration that like your the analysis parts will be here that like your you have to consideration that like the engineering drawing, that like your the manufacturer, the first will be first cases will be comes here, that like your the your engineering drawings, and second things you have to go to this the manufacturing hubs, and this like your the tool design will be concepts, and then the which type of tool is used, and sometimes you have to cases the tool is required for this the designs, and another things will be coming from this the plannings will be comes, and another things is the presentations, that like you have to go to your the markets, and you have to complete to the manufacturing to this the market, and sometimes you have to comes from this the market to this the manufacturing hubs. Then you have to concentrate according to your the markets, and also manufacturing, and again it will be comes from this the product cycle, life cycles, that like the product life cycles is comes from the PCL. What is the product life cycles? The product life cycles, the PCL likes the human beings, the product also have a life cycle, that like the from birth up to death. This will be considered the your product will be produced, and this will be considered the birth of your product. And another things will be consideration, suppose your product will be destroyed a few years, or the 2 to 3 years, or sometimes you can case the 5 to 10 years later, so this product will be the death, and this will be consideration your the product life cycle, that like the human beings passes through the various stages, that is the birth, growth, manufacturing, both growth, and few cases this will be considered the maturity declines, and also the death will be comes during toward the product life cycle procedures. A similar life cycles is seen in the case of products. The product life cycle goes through multiple phases, like the involves many professionals disciplines is comes, and also the requires the many requires the many skills, tools, and processes also will be considered according to your the product life cycles is here. And the products life cycles, the PLC has to be do with the life or of a products in the markets with the respect to business, and some commercial cost and sales the measures also will be considered, and according to your the product life cycles also will be comes during toward the systems. And another things you have to consider such to say that the that a product has a life cycles is to assert the three things also will be concepts also will be consideration. The product have a limited the lives will be there, and this will be the limited life, that means we can see the different type of equipments, that like suppose or the mobile phone, that like or this the different type of laptop, the different machines also you can see during toward the product life cycles will be considerations. So the maximum the 10 years is the life will be considered according to your the product. That means that this will be consideration your product have the limited lives, and you can see the before 5 years those type of products will be produced, and also the after 5 years you have to found that these products the one part will be damaged, then you have to record for this the replacement of your the this parts, but these parts will be not will be available in this the market, that like the you have to consider this the before 5 years concentrated products is the not in our markets. This is the your life will be end, life is the end during these 5 years, for this will be considered the product have a limited life. And another things is the consideration product sales pass through distinct the stage is posing different talents also will be considered according to this opportunities and problems to the sellers is comes during toward the one type of assets will be considered according to the product life cycles. And another things the products requires different marketings, the financing, manufacturing, purchasing, and human resource strategies in each life cycle stage also will be considered according to this this last on. And another things will come here, this is the traditionals that you can be considered according to this the traditional design process is the comes. And this what is the traditional design process? The traditionally the design process contains the following steps will be here, that like the one is the recognitions of needs, because the first you have to record the what is the need of this the recognitions, either you cannot be traditional process will be done during to this the system, because the you cannot be consider the recognition of your needs, then you cannot be design the new type of product, and not will be applied your this the CAD only during to this the systems of this the traditional design process also will be here. And another thing the definitions of problems, and the sometimes sometimes you have to consider the few products your company will be company will be supplied to this the one type of products will in your consideration, but this is the this type of products will be come out the on definite the problems also will be comes, and either you cannot be the new concepts also will be considered according to the new products, then this will be considered the different problems will be considered, but this will be first required the identification of your problems, and again this will be defined of your the problems also will be here. And another things you have to consider is the synthesis procedures. You have to consider your the synthesis that then during to your the traditional design process. And another things that this will be required the analysis and the optimizations. Suppose your the problems will be the consideration your problem is the defined, and also this will be identified your problems, then you have to consideration this will be the synthesis, and again the after completion your the synthesis procedures, this will be required for this the analysis, and also this will be considered the optimize the how you have to optimize your the problems will be the limited, and then this will be considered according to your the traditional design procedures will be come here, the analysis and optimizations process will be done. And another things you can see the evaluations, the what is your the evaluation, that like the your the traditional design process you have to evaluate your product, then this products will be first will be designed by your the CAD process and CAD, and again this will be produce your product during toward the manufacturing units, then your not will be good procedures, and also this will be so much defects will be come during toward the manufacturing hub, then this will be evaluated and properly either after that this will be considered your the design process will be done properly, this will be considered the evaluation. And another things will be considered the presentation, that like your the presentations will be given to this the customers, and sometimes you have to consider this will be given to this the markets, and as like as your the production hub also will be given to your the presentation, that this way you have to draw your the product will be produced properly. At this is the find that the fault, the again synthesis, again the analysis, and the iterates again until we would be able to get satisfactory results after we analyze and the optimize the design. Again, if we are not satisfied after evaluation procedures will be there, we again iterate, that is the we again process to this the synthesis also will be done during to your the traditional design process. And the traditional design engineer design process you have to given to this way, and this is the consideration the according to the state of problems will be comes, and this will be considered analyze the needs also will be here according to the traditional engineering designs and or process. And another things you have to consider according to the set objectives also will be here, the which type of objectives will be sets in your the traditional engineering design process will be done during to this the procedures, the what is your the objectives will be done, and this will be concept according to the create and alternatives way you have to consideration, that like the this alternative way this will be go to this the SEC feasibility also will be here during to your the traditional engineering design process also will become. And another thing is the SEC feasibility, and then the selected solution developed products also will be considered according to your the SEC feasibilities. And again the during to your the SEC feasibilities this will be considered the feedback market response also will be come during to this the procedures. And again the this way this is the feedback market response, this will be goes to this the create alternatives way also will be considered according to this the feedback market response to this the create alternative way. And another things the draw the final design, you have to consider this will be draw the final designs will be come during to this the procedures, and this final designs will be coming just like the traditional engineering design process will be done during to this the process. And product life cycles you have to consider according to the this the design process will be considered. The product life cycles, the product life cycles is the two will be considered, that was in the design process, another is the manufacturing process also will be done during to your the design process. The design process first things will be considered according to this, that this will be the required for this the design needs, That like the which needs also will be essential during toward the design procedures, because you cannot be the concepts will be come during toward the customers feedbacks as like your the R&D section, then you cannot be design the new type of products. Then first will be required for this the design needs, the what is the needs of your the design, and then and again you have to consider according to the design definition specifications also will be considered according to your the product life cycle, that like your the design process. And again the collecting design information feasibility study also will be essential. After that completion of your the design definitions and also the specifications also will be required, then you have to consider according to this the collecting design informations and also the feasibility study also will be given to this the design definitions and also the specification. And from this the collecting design information feasibility, the you have to consider that this will be conceptual designs also will be required during to this the collective the collecting design informations, and also this is the feasibility as like as your the which type of availability will be come according to your the industry, and also the which type of equipment as like your the workers, and sometimes this we have to consider the few type of equipment is needs to the hire from this another places, then this way you have to consider according to the feasibility studies. And after that this will be considered the design conceptualizations will be comes, and also this will be synthesized, and the design modeling and simulations procedures will be completed during to this the concepts of the design conceptuals, and you have to first of the design, and also this will be considered according toward the model and simulations. And another things the these things will be considered the synthesis, and then the analysis also will be comes during toward the completing of your the design modelings and the simulations. Then this will be considered the design analysis, that like the which type of you have to design your design will be completed, but you have to notes will be analyze this your design, then we have to the product will be launched in your market, but this is the which type of defects and which is the availability and the customer satisfaction, these things also will be considered according to your the analysis concept. And again the design optimizations, after analyzing of your designs, then you have to consider some optimizations also will be required, and after that this will be given to this the evaluations of your designs, and this will be design evaluations will be done properly, and again the your design communications and documentations also will be completed after evaluations of your design. Then this will be given here the design communications and the documentation, and this will be goes to this the manufacturing to this the manufacturing process. And again this will be the CAD process also will be discussed, and after that this will be completed design process, this will be goes to this the manufacturing process, and this is the manufacturing process, the product life cycles is the given here. And from this the design process, this will be comes to this the process plannings also will be completed, this from this to this the process plannings, and then this will be given to this production planning, like the design procurements of the new tools also will be required during toward the manufacturing process, just like this will be comes from this from the CAD process also will be here, and the production planning will be consideration, and then this will be design the procurements of this the new tools and the order of materials, just like the raw materials will be ordered by this by this the production planning also will be here, and the few type of equipment also will be consideration, that like the different type of numerical programming also will be done during to this procedures, like the ANC, CNC, DNC, and also this type of programming also will be done during to the manufacturing process. And after that this completion of this the ANC, CNC, and DNC programming, then this will be complete scheduling also will be here, that this is the process planning, and again this is the goes to this the production, and after completing this the process planning, this is the goes to this the production hub, and you have to consider that this will be the production persons will be take up some few this process planning, and again this will be starting the production, and after production will be complete the one set of production, then this will be goes to the quality controls, and after this quality control also assured that this product will be the up to this the mark of your the customer needs, then this will be goes to this the quality will be the controlled properly, and then this will be considered according to your the packaging packaging, and after completion of this the quality control assurance sale will be given to this the quality certificates. Then this will be goes to this the packaging, and after packaging will be completed, and also this will be considered of the shipping, and after shipping this will be goes to this the marketings also will be here, and this will be the considerations will be the products life cycles for this the manufacturing process. And another things will be here, the stage of this the product life cycles also will be consideration. Suppose you are the product life cycles, you can see the one stage also will be here, the after completion of your the product during to your this the manufacturing units, and that like the CAD and CAM also will be completed during to your the product production. Then this will be goes to this markets, and also this will be and figures also will be, or the stage of this the product life cycles also will be discussed during to the sales to this the time, and the sales versus time also will be consideration according to the four stages will be here. And the first stage that like your the introduction, when your the product will be launched in this markets, then is the this will be consideration according to the introductions also will be here, and introduce your product to this the market. Then this phases the this product life will be the list, and also the second phase also will be consideration according to the growth of your product. That means the your introduction phase will be completed, then this will be the growth properly as your the business also will be increases. And another things also will be here, the after few cases this is the maturity level also will be done, and suppose your product will be growth level will be completed, then this will be goes to your the maturity, and also this will be the new type of products. Again this is the comes to this markets, and also this is the maturity level will be goes to this the larger peak will be comes in this the stage of this your product life cycles. And again the after maturity levels this will be goes to this the decline. That means the after few years later you have to not accept your this the product properly, then this will be declines will be comes, and also the product extensions also will be consideration few cases will be here. And generally there are four stages of this the product life cycles from the product developments will be comes during to this the stage. And another here the few the description will be comes during to this the once a product has to be developed, the first stage is introduction stage, and in this stage the production is being released into the markets. When the new product is released, it is the often high stake time in the product's life cycles, although it does not necessarily makes or break the product eventually success will be here. And another things will be considered the growth, and during to this the growth, the other by the growth stage the consumers are already taking to the product and increasingly buying it. The product concept is the proven and the becoming more popular, and sales are increasing. Other companies becomes aware of this the product, and is the space in the markets which is being to draw attention and the increasing pool in revenue. If the competition for the product is especially high, the company may still have heavily invest in the advertising and the promotions of this the product to beat out of the competitors. As a result of the product the growing, the market tends to expand. The product in the growth stage is typically weekends to improve the functions, and the features also will be here. And after that this will be comes from this the maturity. The when a product reaches the maturity, its the sales tends to slow or even stops. Signingly a largely saturated market at this point, sales can even starts to drop, and the pricings at the stage can be tend to get competitive, signaling margins shrinkage, and also the like competitions or lower demands will become. The marketing at this point is targets at finding of competitions also will be here during toward the maturity point, maturity. And in this stage the saturation is reached and sales volume is maxed out. The companies often being involving to maintain or increase their market share. The changing developing their product to meet with new demographics or developing technologies also will be here. And the maturity stage may last a long times or short times depending on the products. For some brands the maturity stage is very drawn out, like the Coca-Cola also will be here. And another things will be comes during toward the declines, although companies will generally attempt to keep the products alive in the maturity stage as long as possible. The decline for every product is invertibles also will be here. And in the decline stage, the product sales drops significantly and consumers behavior changes as there is less demand for the products. The company the product less loss more, and the more market shares and the competition tends to cause sales to deteriorate. And also the marketing in the decline stage is often minimal to or the targeted at already loyal customers, and the price are reduced. Eventually the products will be retired out of this the market unless the it is able to redesign itself to remains or relevant or in demands also will be here. And from this lecture we can understand the how we have to design out this the product, and also the product cycles also will be known during to these classes. Okay, thank you students.